I am busy with plus noun. I am busy with work. I am busy with exams. I am busy with school. I am busy with chores. I am busy with writing. I am busy with cooking. I am busy with cooking. I am busy with a hobby. I am busy with training. I am busy with studying. I am busy with meetings. I am busy with planning. I am busy with research. I am busy with mentoring. I am busy with a project. I am busy with gardening. I am busy with my career. I am busy with deadlines. I am busy with budgeting. I am busy with a podcast. I am busy with a startup. I am busy with marketing. I am busy with meditation. I am busy with technology. I am busy with networking. I am busy with creativity. I am busy with data entry. I am busy with organizing. I am busy with organizing. I am busy with assignments. I am busy with fundraising. I am busy with programming. I am busy with bookkeeping. I am busy with photography. I am busy with appointments. I am busy with negotiations. I am busy with goal setting. I am busy with goal setting. I am busy with volunteering. I am busy with market trends. I am busy with team building. I am busy with brainstorming. I am busy with time tracking. I am busy with meal planning. I am busy with a side hustle. I am busy with data analysis. I am busy with social events. I am busy with event planning. I am busy with family matters. I am busy with brand building. I am busy with a presentation. I am busy with website design. I am busy with website design. I am busy with online courses. I am busy with graphic design. I am busy with product design. I am busy with collaborations. I am busy with team motivation. I am busy with household tasks. I am busy with financial goals. I am busy with risk management. I am busy with risk management. I am busy with troubleshooting. I am busy with event promotion. I am busy with risk assessment. I am busy with brand promotion. I am busy with content editing. I am busy with a hobby project. I am busy with travel planning. I am busy with travel planning. I am busy with public speaking. I am busy with email marketing. I am busy with product testing. I am busy with data management. I am busy with problem solving. I am busy with website updates. I am busy with market analysis. I am busy with blog management. I am busy with market strategy. I am busy with app development. I am busy with market research. I am busy with client meetings. I am busy with budget planning. I am busy with event marketing. I am busy with event marketing. I am busy with team leadership. I am busy with time management. I am busy with event logistics. I am busy with decision making. I am busy with software testing. I am busy with content curation. I am busy with content creation. I am busy with team development. I am busy with team development. I am busy with video production. I am busy with public relations. I am busy with SEO optimization. I am busy with content strategy. I am busy with personal finance. I am busy with market expansion. I am busy with customer support. I am busy with customer support. I am busy with product launches. I am busy with client relations. I am busy with fitness routines. I am busy with software updates. I am busy with goal achievement. I am busy with product launches. I am busy with content creation. I am busy with content creation. I am busy with product launches. I am busy with customer service. I am busy with responsibilities. I am busy with creative writing. I am busy with self-improvement. I am busy with crisis management. I am busy with content marketing. I am busy with customer feedback. I am busy with content marketing. I am busy with customer feedback. I am busy with employee training. I am busy with language learning. I am busy with stress management. I am busy with sales forecasting. I am busy with project scheduling. I am busy with outdoor activities.